hello.
We don't need an introduction. Let's just go for it.
Oh. We did the backwards word challenge.
Yeah, that.
And now we're playing around with the voice thingy, and we're having so much fun, so we're gonna record that.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the helium one, because that one's been calling me.
It's been calling you?
Yeah.
I love your nails. Oh, sorry.
Oh, thanks.
I ruined it.
That's okay, we don't have to... So I stole a cookie from the cookie jar.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
Oh, it totally takes out all the romance.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
Let's do the dark one. Let's do the dark one. Heather, I was watching you while you slept.
I was watching you while you slept.
It just sounds... Turtle? What does
Try
a
it.
turtle sound like?
You've never heard a turtle, Heather?
I'm going to be so late for my dentist appointment.
So, turtles are stoned.
What's one of many?
I have no idea. I think it's a movie reference, but I don't know what movie that's from. Heather, we have to go to class. Heather, we have to go to class.
I said a bang, bang, bang me bang. I said a bang, bang, bangity bang.
I said a bang, bang, bangity bang. I said a bang, bang, bangity bang.
How does it do that? It's so good.
Harmony!
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe.
Try Alien. We haven't tried that.
Alien or Alien 2?
Well, you have a choice.
Greetings, Earthling. Take me to your washing machine. I have laundry to do.
Oh god, we gotta get to class.
You gotta get to class.
Get out of my way! I have to get to class!
Oh, that was lame.
No, you do like...
You try it.
And on the 401, we have a huge pileup after a truck ran into a car, and there were no deaths, but a lot of injured necks. Didn't know what to say. And on the 401, we have a huge pileup
Oh, there
after
you
a
go.
truck ran into a car, and there were no deaths, but a lot of injured necks.
You'd make a great reporter, Heather.
So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, adieu.
Adieu, adieu, to ya and ya and ya.